crazy price target for Bitcoin. The question is, of course, will we reach it? So let's have a look at it. Let's switch to the 4-hourly time frame. And as you know, we've been trading within this sideways channel here for quite some time, and then we broke down. So the much more important pattern to watch right now is this descending channel marked here with turquoise, yeah, those turquoise lines. So, and as you might know, a descending channel is much more likely to break out to the upside. So let me show you. If you take a look back in the past, let's see. We had the same pattern going on right here. As you can see, a descending channel, same descending channel going on right here. And after we broke out of this channel, we had a huge move to the upside. Basically, we made a profit of, the move was around almost 22%, yeah. So with the $100,000 position, you would have made a profit of 22K. So amazing. The question right now is, will we do it again? Will Bitcoin do this again? So let me show you guys. Basically, the technical price target would be up here, yeah. This would be a move from right now of around 6%. So with the 100K position, around 6,500K profit. The question right now is, if you're not in the trade right now, what can you do? So we have to watch the following. First of all, this yellow line, since we are above it right now, this will act as support right now, okay? So on the 4-hourly time frame, as you can see, we are above it. And then we have this resistance, because, you know, we've been trading within this sideways channel here for quite some time. And now this white line will act as resistance. So if you are not in the trade right now, I mean, basically, always I say, if we have a breakout and it's, let's say, at least a 4-hourly close outside of the pattern, we can enter long position. So if you enter a long position here, congrats. If you're not in a long position right now, what can you do? Basically, you could still enter long position because we have this yellow line acting as support right now, and we can also extend this a bit more. And even if we would break down here a little bit, this turquoise line would also act as support right now. So you could enter a long position right now. And of course, we have some levels of resistance. This white line we have to break. Then this one at 30,200, and then this one at 30,859. Yeah, but basically the price target would be up here. So, and as you can see here, at this move here, Bitcoin even exceeded the price target, because the technical price target would have been here, but we went even higher. So if this happens again, watch the RSI, what the RSI tells us. And we can even go to the hourly time frame here. You can see it closer. Right now we are trading between the white line here acting as resistance and the yellow line acting as support. So between these lines, maybe we see some kind of consolidation for a couple of hours or so. But you can still enter a long position if you haven't entered it around here. Yeah, so that's what's going on with Bitcoin. Then on the other hand, we have Ethereum, but it's a similar situation. As you can see here, we broke out of this ascending broadening wedge here. Yeah? And so this white line acted as support for a long time because we traded above it, and now it acts as resistance. Yeah, as you can see here, we are also trading right now in this turquoise descending channel, which is also more likely to break out to the upside. And as of right now, as you can see here, we didn't really have a 4-hourly close outside of it. So let's wait. If you're standing on the sideline, you should wait at least, let's say that we have a 4-hourly close outside of this pattern here. And the potential profit target would be, if we break it, let's say here, this would be a move of around 4%. So with the 100K position, you would make $4,000 profit. So let's have a closer look, guys. We have to break, of course, this white line here. It has been acting as support for quite some time. Now it's acting as resistance. So of course we have to break it. But once we have a 4-hourly close outside of this turquoise line, it's already pretty good. So, and once we break above this, you could even scale up the trade, and then we have those levels to break here, the $1,911, and the actually in perfect confluence, because we have the technical price target of this pattern would be up here, plus we have the resistance here. So this could be a good point to take some profits, or let's see what the RSI tells us. At least we can take some profits, and if we break above this, let's see what the market shows us. We could even scale up our trade, because the potential price target, I mean, the next huge resistance is then here at around $2,007 and then up here. So this could be a huge trade. Let me show you the profit, the potential. Let's say we would go up here. This would be another move of around 14%. So with the 100K position, $14,000 profit. So that's what's going on right now, guys. So, and if you want to trade, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.